Hmm. Pokok ipang nih ngaruh. Imut bang yui. Kani ngalah expect ban yo buon views. Kani ski kumat katang kio. Tanpoy aja kan. Kani rang kio rin man. Rang kio tuh.
Welcome to the live stream. If you're new here, show some love by dropping a like and subscribe for daily gaming content. Fire.
Whoa. Are you okay? They were gonna kill you. Holy shit.
Tougher than I look, huh?
Let's find a way out of here.
Roxxon kept Rhino instead of giving him to the police. It's crazy.
Nothing about Roxxon surprises me anymore.
You okay?
I will be, once we're out. I'm shutting off security cams. Can you check that computer? What did you find?
There's the exit. Through this office. We have to lift the base lockdown first, from the control room.
First, we need to escape the security wing. I'll go down to the floor, see what we're dealing with. Door's locked.
Venom worked in the cell. Should work on the door. I can find what... Hello?
It's unlocked. I'm headed to the floor.
Right above you.
That security door is our way out, but I'll have to hack a few terminals to disable the alarm.
I'll handle the security goons.
Security cameras are down in the south wing.
Rhino probably turned them off. Heard he wanted to question the prisoners.
Bet that other guy could get even Spider-Man to squeal.
What's up with these power outages?
There's 2 more ahead.
Word of advice. Watch what you say around him. He seems relaxed, but he's got a short fuse.
Roger, I've got you.
Duty at the plaza yet? We're working overtime to get that place open next week. Yeah, I'm on rotation coming up. Seems like the whole future of the company's staked on that place. Weapons hot!
Find and detain Spider-Man!
Don't let him escape! Don't let him...
Stay alert! Target is hostile!
Watch your six!
Siesta time.
Secure the area, now!
You see him, you bring him down! Check those corners!
Someone get eyes on him!
Nap time, bro.
RX-89 status report. Someone get eyes on RX-89. He's not responding. Copy, I'm on it.
Spider-Man's here! Stay alert!
He's MIA. Go alert. We've got an intruder.
On your six. Hurry up and flush him out! Surrender now or we'll open fire! Surrender now, Spider-Man!
Another win for Spider-Man.
Can't let Spider-Man leave!
RX-89 status report. Someone get eyes on RX-89. He's not responding.
Flush him out! Target is nearby. Remain alert. Secure the area, now! You see him, you bring him down! Shoot to kill! We're ending this! Don't let him escape! Stay alert! Target is hostile!
Check those corners!
Gotta be quicker than that.
Copy. Checking position.
Guess we're going in loud.
You gotta be here somewhere!
Spider-Man! We're the authority here!
Go ahead. Try and get up.
Got him sighted!
Okay, I'm shorting the magnet. I need to trigger the override back there.
On it. Looks like some kind of record archive. Wonder what's on these computers. Triggering the override. There's a voice memo on here.
Sir, the police are asking about Rhino. What do we tell them?
Our man at the Raft is setting up a special work release program. Tell the police Rhino's doing a little community service.
Can't believe they got away with this.
Door's unlocked, but I need you to force it open.
Can do.
I can't let them go until I have my new form.
You shouldn't even be here. Your muscle was only supposed to grab the girl.
Yeah, he didn't like that. Here's the deal, bud. Spider-Man's the best leverage I got against Miss Mason. I mean, you caught them together. Well, I mean, you caught them, but it was thanks to your intel, so clearly there's something going on there.
You agreed to leave the kid alone.
Uncle Aaron?
Ah, the kid. I love how you say that. It's just so paternal.
Let Spider-Man go, and I'll get you new form. Feed you underground intel, whatever you want.
See? Leverage. Works every time.
Miles, Spider-Man.
Here's leverage for you. I've seen things. New form making people sick. What you did to Rick Mason. If I went public...
Yeah, but you won't. Here's the deal. You're a wanted thief. Plus all the jobs we've done together. But you'd be in the cell right next to mine. And we both know you're a little too self-serving for that. So, we're gonna head in and check on Miss Mason and Spider-Man, but it's kind of an invite-only party. Yeah. Bye.
Uncle Aaron. No. Wait.
Do you know that guy? Is that the reason we got captured?
No. It's... I knew he worked with Roxxon, but I didn't think he'd sell me out.
I can't believe this. You led me into a trap. Why do I keep listening to you?
Then no. There has to be an explanation. I didn't know this would happen.
Just save it. Let's keep moving. Can you get this open?
Yeah, sure.
They initiated a lockdown. That's the control room we have to get into.
So we'll need past those security shutters.
Got a maintenance panel here, but it needs power.
Let me see what I can do.
Hey there.
Gotta be attached to a generator. Just need some venom, and we'll have power. I saw a generator close to where I came in. There! Got power.
Accessing... I can't hotwire the shutters, but I can move machinery, like that crane.
Maybe we can use that. I'll look around.
They build engines for their APCs in here. Hey, I can raise and lower that crane. Is that useful?
Hey, crane's over this engine thing now.
Engine thing. I've got an idea. Can you move the crane back to the assembly line?
Yeah, think I know where you're headed.
Okay, this laser should activate the engine. Oh, crap! Laser shorted out.
Think I can reroute power. Nice. Webs are conducting electricity.
The laser shorted, but it still works. Needs a new power source.
Those nodes can work, if I can find power. use those nodes and some webs. Reroute power to the laser. That glass is in the way. You're good. Use a laser.
One laser coming up.
Perfect. If I overcharge the engine, it'll be explosive.
And explosive is just what we need to destroy those shutters.
Get down!
Let's go. Almost out. That's our way out. Give me a few minutes to get it open.
Looks like they guessed our plan.
Not hard. There's only one exit.
All right, I'll take care of those guards. You get that door open.
One thing. Did you ever think about calling me to tell me you were Spider-Man? You know, after my parents died, Rick basically had to become my dad. I thought I'd miss having a brother, but I had you.
Finn,
Get this door open!
That won't hold forever!
Go! I'll be fine, just go! Those guys with the lights on their helmets can spot heat signatures. They'll see you if you try to go invisible.
Wonder how much of their R&D department is dedicated to fighting us.
Probably millions of dollars in untaxed money. You clear the floor, I'll work on overriding security so we can get out. I can still access machinery if you need me to move anything.
You good in there?
Yeah, those webs are holding the door. Whole base is on alert though, so be careful.
There's only one way out of the base. They gotta come through here.
I don't know. Tinker is tricky.
Rhino says they're working together.
That doesn't make sense. They hate each other. Enemy of my enemy, right?
I think Roxxon should have let Spider-Man and the Tinkerer fight it out. Then have Rhino catch the survivor. Dare you to tell me.
There. Got it.
That one hurt.
They know you're here. They're calling reinforcements.
Guess I'm doing this the loud way.
We're detaining you! Neutralizing Spider-Man! Engaging Spider-Man! Got a beat on him! Opening fire! Stay out of this, Spider-Man! Get down! I'm on!
We got something for you!
Bring it! Got you now! Engaging Spider-Man! Stay down! Final warning! Take him down! Big hit! Keep it up! Taking you down, Spider-Man! Direct hit! Advancing! Engaging target! He's in my gun! You're outside! Surrender!
Listen! I know you don't trust me.
You're right. I don't.
What can I do to change that?
Stop going behind my back. And stop acting like I haven't thought this through. No one will get hurt when I take down the plaza. No one except Rockstar. You know you deserve it.
Just promise to talk it through with me, okay? Promise to listen. Really listen.
I've made up my mind, Miles. You need to start accepting that.
Then I'm gonna have to stop you. You need to start accepting that.
I'm through. Meet me in the showroom on the far side of the assembly line.
See you there.
Coming?
Looks like they locked the doors. I'll find another way. What if we went public about Rick's death?
Do you have proof? Because I don't think the word of two vigilantes is gonna convince people.
There's gotta be a way. think that's the exit. Hey. Lost and found.
Thanks. I know this place. This is Krieger's lab.
Krieger has a lab?
Mostly for show, but yeah. Rick showed me a photo once.
Krieger's lab. Wait. All the current Nuform project data's on here. Toxicity reports, failed safety reviews, and Krieger's name's on everything. This would destroy Roxxon.
You like my new color? Immune to your little zappy pops.
Zappy Pops? Come on, man.
Now, we finish this!
You handle Rhino, I'll take the gun! Let's go for a ride! We need to break his armor!
I will give you good death.
A good death? I think that's the sick version of the gotta damage his armor. Keep getting up. I'll keep knocking you down.
But I only need to knock you down once.
Maybe if I charge the engines. Here! Yeah! Get started and plan for exploding engine bombs when they designed your new armor. You need to put him down! Permanently! I'm not gonna kill the guy. That's not how we work.
And that is why you Did you think you could escape us that easily? Roxxon will never let you go.
You guys take return? Armor's looking a little shabby, Rhino.
Get off of me!
Mission progress. This armor's wearing down.
These are all surface wounds.
Why do you sound so tired?
We need backup! Krieger has plans for you, children.
His armor's falling apart!
I do not like you.
Venom! That's how I win this! I can hit him with Venom now!
Spiders engaged!
This woman is fear.
Yeah!
You could not have won this. Krieger wants to study you.
Ready for some zappy pops, big guy?
I do not like you.
That's how I win this!
He's done! You've almost got him! Cover me! Don't stop! They're gonna break him!
This woman is fear.
Creepy, Alexi! Ready? Wait. Just make sure he doesn't do anything. I'll be right back. Krieger Zato shut Roxxon down. The right way.
You know, Krieger told me how your brother died. Very amusing.
Shut up.
He also told me it was your fault.
Krieger updated the reactor. Tried to supercharge it to make his deadline. If Finn goes through with her plan... Oh my god. Harlan.
You watched him die. Helpless.
No, no, no!
Go to hell.
Finn! What the hell?
You screwed up the bridge! Going inside lab! Got me kidnapped!
Finn! reactor!
Come near me again, I'll kill you.
But... we're family.
My family's dead.
Ganke, I need help.
I'm gonna go grab a washcloth, some antibiotics.
Miles? Where have you... ¿Pero qué pasó? What are you wearing?
I have to tell you something.
Finn's attacking the plaza.
Yeah.
So that was you chasing her through the city. As Spider-Man. You could have died. No lo puedo creer. Why didn't you tell me about any of this? All those talks we had? How to keep yourself safe? But this?
I didn't want you to worry. And the other Spider-Man's gone. I just keep making things worse and worse. Now I screwed up things with you.
Miles. There is nothing you could ever do or ever be that would make me stop loving you. Nada. You give me strength, Miles. That's all a hero really is. Someone who's brave for the people they love.
Just a guy who doesn't give up.
Gloria's handling Feast, and Teo's gonna help us go door to door.
Perfect. Let's get this evacuation started. I'll meet you outside. You remind me more of your father every day. You stay safe.
I will.
Hey, I'm telling people in Harlem they need to evacuate before me and your mom go door to door.
Okay, cool. I wanted to say, thanks for always having my back, man. Hey, I could use your help before you go.
You got it.
I want to cross-reference underground activity with buildings that could store Nuform. Maybe you could hack Oscorp surveillance towers, or...
I'm in. It'll take a while to narrow down.
That's all right. Thanks, man. Gonna stretch my legs a little, then head out. Got some time while Ganke tracks down Finn. I should check the app. See if people need help.
Down the hatches, folks. The long presaged storm of the century, one heck of a blizzard, is
flowing in. Make sure you're stocked up on supplies. My loyal listeners will already have plenty of Jameson's jerky, guaranteed to last longer than radioactive fallout. Meanwhile, if you're planning on taking the in-laws to visit Trinity Church, I got some bad news. Parts of this sacred local landmark are now rough following yet another skirmish involving Spider-Man and the Tinkerer. Thankfully, Roxxon was able to secure the scene quickly. The current whereabouts of either masked menace are unclear. But right now, that's secondary to the fact that Roxxon has generously offered to pick up the cost of Trinity's restoration, even though the damage was...
Setup, the Oscorp Science Center. It's closed for renovations.
Our energy converter that won the middle school science fair. That's how she's gonna finish making the new form unstable enough to blow up Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa. It's like she picked it to get back at you.
Maybe she did. Thanks, Genki.
It's my job. Speaking of, time to help your mom evacuate Harlem. Later.
Okay. Oscorp Science Center. Finn needs to know what'll happen if she goes through with her plan. And if she won't listen, I'll take the new form. Destroy it if I have to.
Got a motor, but man, Spidey, it was so...
Spider-Man! Hey, so, Spider-Man coming through.
Sorry about this, nephew. Can't let you go back out there. Let Krieger and the Tinkerer kill each other. Go back to being Spider-Man when the heat dies down.
And what? Just hide down here? I don't get to pick and choose when I'm Spider-Man. I gotta stop Finn.
No, you gotta survive. I've been trying to teach you that, but you don't listen.
You want me to survive so bad? Why sell me out to Krieger?
Wasn't a sellout.
Yeah.
I'm serious. You were never supposed to get caught. Krieger broke our deal.
You want it back in the family, and that's the best you could do?
I saved your life.
You threw me in a cell!
To protect you!
Like this is protecting me?
Damn it, Miles! I'm not gonna lose you too!
And I'm not gonna let people die, just to save my skin. You underestimated me.
Damn it, no! Don't fight me on this!
I don't want to, but I can't stay down here.
Then I'll do what I have to. Keep you safe.
His cloaking tech. I need to short it. Stay away from that shield. This isn't about me at all. It's about you. You're afraid.
Don't you turn this on me! if you're dead.
He can't counter every trick. My dad can see us now.
He'd understand that I gotta protect you.
Shield.
Shouldn't have to come to this. You don't realize I'm the only one trying to save you.
And I'm trying to save everyone else.
You think you can beat the Tempest? Roxxon, you can.
I have to try.
Didn't your mentor teach you about picking your battles?
He taught me to put other people ahead of myself.
Get back! You don't get how the real world works. Dog eat dog.
Not if we make it better. You don't get it. You never fought for anyone but yourself.
Maybe that's why I'm still alive. What do you owe the city, huh? You didn't ask to be Spider-Man. Get up! I'm not gonna let you go back out there.
I never wanted to fight you, not you. You gotta know how messed up this is.
Throw yourself at enemies you can't beat. Know who else did that?
Don't say his name.
You want your mom to bury you too? I won't let you.
Hologram? More tech from your buddies at Roxxon?
I adapt. You can't keep up. You're naive. You're the kid looking up to Spider-Man.
No, I'm the kid who knows people are looking up to me. Spider-Man. The risk I gotta take.
You're right. I'm done letting my family die trying to play hero. Whoa! Stay back, nephew! How far will you take this? You're gonna kill yourself proving you deserve that mask?
If that's what it takes. Which one's the real you?
Man, please. Throw your leg on.
I'll do what I have to. Just like you. You can't keep me down here. I made so many excuses for you.
Without your power, what are you?
Come on, give yourself away. I'm done proving myself to you.
Let someone else risk their life to stop the underground, not you! It hurt you a little is how I saved your life.
There's too many.
We would have been all right before Spider-Man got a hold of you. I told you you can't keep up. I know I messed up. I let you down. We're family.
Family? That didn't stop you from lying to me, manipulating me, fighting me? Being family isn't enough anymore.
Doesn't have to be like this. You, me, hating each other? That's how it happened between me and your dad. I don't want to repeat that.
I don't either. But I can't be the person you want to turn me into. I can't turn my back when people need me. I have to be better than that. Ganke, my uncle just kidnapped me. Locked me up. What? Are you okay? I had to fight him. Then I said, done. For good.
I'm sorry. That can't have been easy.
It's what I had to do. I'm headed to the Science Center. Call me if things get bad in Harlem.
I will. Good luck, Spider-Man.
See him close for renovation, and the underground moves right in. Finn's gotta be inside.
Hope I can be there to see the explosion. It'll change everything.
Give up! You can't beat us!
Gonna have something for you!
momentum after we break Roxxon. less momentum after we break Roxxon. Roxxon doesn't stand a chance against our new gear. Jameson's a hack. These weapons change everything. Roxxon doesn't stand a chance against our new gear. Danica Hahn doesn't know what she's talking about.
What the heck? I hate when I do that.
Hey, Gio, how's it look? Hey. Hey, someone check on Gio. He's not responding. I got you. Checking now.
All right. Let's see what kind of security they've got. In those shacks, which are locked and powered down. Need a new power source. Like that giant spinning mobile. Webs won't reach. Bet I could web the nodes to the mobile. Conduct electricity. Just need the webs to reach. Suit's gonna be musty. Yeah, this'll work. But I need to spin the mobile.
I am here to assist. Combat system.
Yeah, that doesn't line up. happy didn't see that.